everybody, Tuna92 here, back with another video, and today, as you can see, we are at Honor Oak Park. Sorry if you can't see the sign, and again if you don't, it's pixelated, but we're at Honor Oak Park on the Brighton mainline, so we're going to be seeing services purely by Southern and London Overground, and we're possibly going to see some Thameslink services as well. Over there is 378137, and over here is 378144. This is to Crystal Palace, and this is to Highbury Islington. And yes, so there goes 378137. I couldn't get the numbers of the 171 that went past for you, unfortunately. So yeah, I couldn't get the numbers of the 171. So yeah, we're going to be seeing services purely by Southern and London Overgrounds, and we may get some Thameslink services as well. But anyway, getting ready to depart is 378144 with the 1454 London Overground service to Highbury Islington. Great two-tone of the depot whistle from the driver, thank you very much. And that will be under cautionary signals, as that was a double yellow. And she's off in the distance. And the 378 is still in the distance. I can see it, but you probably can't, due to this tablet that I'm using. And then, as you can see, the signal over there, if you saw it, is changed to a single yellow. And the sun is over there somewhere. Actually, it's over there. It's over there, you can probably see it. Yeah, it's there, in the centre of the screen. But yeah, so let's get started here at Honor Oak Park. Before I pause the video, we're going to be seeing purely 378s, 377s, 445s, 700s, maybe, and maybe we'll get some freight as well. And now coming into platform 2 is the 1455 Southern service to London Victoria, 377612 at the front. And 377618 on the rear. It's a local stopping service, so it's going to be calling it Forest Hill, Sydenham, Crystal Palace, Gypsy Hill, West Norwood, Streatham Hill, Balham, Wandsworth Common, Clapham Junction, Battersea Park, and London Victoria. So we shall see that go, and I'll keep it going as we have we have a service coming into platform 1 and a fast service. So we have a semi-fast service from Horsham to London Bridge, and we also have the 1454 Southern London Bridge. Anyway, here is the 377. That's operating from Horsham to London London Bridge. Now departing is 377612 and 377618 with the 1455. It's 2 minutes late. The 1454 Southern service to London Bridge. Now departing is also the 1454, 2 minutes late. Southern service from London Victoria to London Bridge. It's a 4-car class 377, 377433.
The train now standing at platform 1 is the 1454.
There we go. Okay, now passing through is a fast southbound service to Tattenham Corner. 377117 and 377447. Now departing is the delayed 1454 Southern Service to London Bridge from London Victoria 377433. Great one tone from the driver, thank you very much. If you didn't hear that, I said great one tone from the driver, thank you very much. I did turn around for a second because I thought there was another train coming, but there wasn't. So yeah, we shall see what else shall turn up here at Honour Park. And the next train to turn up is going to be the 1459 Southern Service, London Overground Service, to Highbury and Islington from West Croydon. Say 5 car 378. And followed by a fast Southern service. It's 378146, and hopefully, it's going to get in the way, isn't it? But anyway, hopefully I should get the numbers of the Southern service. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. "377-611. Didn't get a horn, unfortunately, but still thank you from the driver for just coming in the video. And now we have the 1500 London Overground service to West Croydon, 378135. Wave from the driver, thank you very much. And when that comes in, here goes 378146. Again, great one tone of the double whistle from the driver. Thank you very much. And that's off. That's going to Highbury and Islington. And there is 378135, and I'll continue on when she departs. Okay, now departing is the 1501, sorry. London Overground service to West Croydon from Highbury and Islington. It's 378135. When I was travelling on a 377 to Norwell Junction to change for the stopping service to here, I did see a Thameslink Class 700 going off to London Bridge, so hopefully we shall see that later in the video. It's not the same one as last time. It was 700 135, I think. It was 700 107 last time, but I don't know about this Class 700. Don't know which one I forgot which one it was. It was something 5. That's what I remember. I think it was 034. Or anyway, let's see what else shall turn up here on Honour Park. And the next train to turn up is going to be the 1506 London Overground service to Crystal Palace. 378141. As we also have the 1507 London Overground service to Highbury and Islington. (378-230). So this is the ones that have the pantograph on, I believe. And there we go. Okay, now departing is 378141 with the 1506 London Overground service to Crystal Palace. And we also have a southbound fast, Class 377 bound for Horsham, I believe. Yep. 37743 and 377451. That's going to Horsham. And 171803 and 171201 out of service. Jesus. I couldn't get the horn from any of those trains, unfortunately, but still, thank you for being in my video. And off goes 378230 with the 1507 London Overground service to Highbury and Islington. The sun does keep getting in my way and making the lighting go weird, so sorry for that if it's annoying, which it probably is. But yeah, that was good 3 trains at once. Actually, it was 3 trains. So yeah, I shall see you in a bit. Okay, and the next train to pass by is a fast northbound service to London Bridge from Horsham. (377-107) and 377-214. Couldn't get the horn, unfortunately, but away from the driver, thank you very much. The signal did just turn green, just as it went past. But so that's going to be chasing some cautionary signals. Possibly even might stop at London Bridge later when it gets closer to London Bridge. Might have some cautionary signals. And yeah, couldn't get the horn, unfortunately, but still. Okay, and the next train to turn up is going to be the 1512 Southern service to Caterham. It's going to be a class 455, our first 455 of the day. 455-840. It's going to be a dash 8, obviously, the only types that are used. I don't know why that girl just walked all the way to the end of the platform. Her train can't be formed of 10 coaches. Hardly any 10 coaches ever stop here. 455-840, stopping there. So yeah, we shall see what else shall turn up. Okay, now getting ready to depart is the 1512 Southern service to Caterham, 455-840. This will be coming from London Bridge, obviously. Off it goes.
Ships are on the Thames today.
Good for you. I don't care. Sorry about that, guys. Oh, the sun is in the way again. Okay, now about to pass by is a Southern 3 pairs of 171s. (171-824), 171-728 and 171-802. That is the same pair of 171s that we saw earlier, and it coupled onto another. And here is the 1516 London Overground service to West Croydon from Highbury and Islington. 378-220. I swear we saw that in the Forest Hill video. I'm not too sure. And I'll keep it going as we now have the 1517 London Overground service to Highbury and Islington from West Croydon. Now departing is 378-220 with the 1516 London Overground service to West Croydon. And now coming in is 378137 with the 1517 London Overground service to Highbury and Islington. And as she calls in, that will be the final train of the day. Thank you very much for watching. It's greatly appreciated. As ever, if you have any stations on the southeastern main line you would like me to film at in due course, then please do let me know in the comments below, and I will hopefully get around to doing them for you when I continue with the southeastern main line. My next stations from here is going to be Brockley, and then my next station will be Brockley, and then I will continue with the southeastern main line after that. Anyway, now departing is 378137 with the 1517 London Overground service to Highbury and Islington. Shush! Hopefully I should get a horn. There we go, great two-tone from the driver, thank you very much. 378137 and going off to Highbury and Islington. And as she goes off to Brockley, I shall see you all next time in Brockley itself. So, goodbye, and yeah, so my next station is going to be Brockley, and then I'll just wait for the announcements to finish. Okay, so my next station is going to be Brockley, and then I will be doing, I'll be continuing on the southeastern main line. Hopefully I can do Cannon Street before the end of the Easter holidays, because there's not a lot of days left. It's only it's Wednesday today, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, so there's 6 days left of the Easter holidays. I want to make it count, and I want to get at least 2 more videos in within the next 6 days. One of them is going to be Brockley, one of them is going to be Cannon Street. And, yeah, and our real final train today is going to be a 4-car 377 bound for Horsham. For Brighton, actually. And we see the return of 377105 that previously came from Horsham and is now going to Brighton. So thank you very much for watching. I shall see you all in Brockley. Take care, guys, and goodbye. And I'll keep it rolling as there is a 455 coming. So yeah, I shall see you all next time, which will be in Brockley. 455 drivers are so kind that they always give a horn. So every time I see a 445 and I do the horn sign, it works. So hopefully it'll work here as well. This is a 4-car. As always, you don't normally get 8-car 455s stopping at these places. Even though the platform is big enough for 10 cars, you don't really get much. It's 455837, and as she goes, I'll end the video. Just wait. And now getting ready to depart is the 1520 Southern service to London Bridge, and he looks like he's about to blow the horn for me. Hey! Great two-tone from the driver, thank you very much. And yeah, I shall see you all next time with another episode of Trains Act, located at Brockley. I shall see you all then. Goodbye.